Hello everyone, welcome to this demo for AdaptDC. At AdaptDC, we are offering an autonomous application performance management solution to reduce monitoring and troubleshooting burden for distributed systems like Kubernetes. For this demo, I'll walk you through a typical user scenario. Meet John, who is a senior technical director at a large consumer SaaS company. He is responsible for managing several Kubernetes hosted services as shown in this diagram. One evening, around 8:40 p.m., John received several high-profile customer complaints for slow applications. He quickly dug into our alarm module that showed 81 alarms coming from different services created at different points in time. To John's relief, these alarms were already ranked based on their relevance so that he didn't have to manually triage them. These alarms were created by our anomaly detection algorithm, which eliminates the overhead for health rule creation and health rule maintenance. For troubleshooting, John started to investigate several high ranked latency alarms coming from payment service, API service, and database service. In the anomaly monitoring module, he compared the origination times for three different latency alarms. He discovered the payment service latency alarm started to fire about 15 to 20 minutes later than that for API service and database service. This lag in alarm origination time, or so called asynchronous event flow, makes this troubleshooting hard because typical point-wise correlations and manual heuristic fail to capture these dynamic event flows at scale. To address this problem, we have developed a robust time series correlation ranking. With our time series correlation ranking, John discovered out of all alarm metrics, the strongest correlation exists between the payment service latency and the database service latency. With that discovery, he called up his database team and identified there was a small but critical misconfiguration in the Kubernetes cluster, which triggered a database scale out failure. They quickly corrected that misconfiguration in Kubernetes, and the alarm started to resolve. In fact, almost all of them got resolved after 9 p.m. That's how we bring much needed efficiency into application performance management. Please contact us to learn more about our solution and try out our freemium version from our website. Thank you very much.